5-year-old Hasifa Nakirija is becoming well known in Uganda because of her amazing skills in Kung Fu. The person behind Nakirija's skills is her father, Manasuru Esajemba, who in 2017 made a journey to the Shaolin Temple, thousands of kilometers away in China. Esajemba set up a makeshift training center behind his house where he trains youngsters to help promote the Kung Fu culture in Uganda. Esajemba's passion for Kung Fu started in 2003 after he watched several Chinese Kung Fu movies.
I used to watch Jet Li's movies, and I think I'm his fan. Yeah, I love his movies a lot, and he's the one who inspired me, to love Kung Fu and also to practice. When I was in Shaolin Temple, I saw a lot of things there. They were practicing in groups, and for me, I wanted also to come here in Uganda and make what they call Shaolin Temple here in Uganda, and that's my dream.
Esajemba's skills have even led him to act in several local movies which have Kung Fu scenes. However, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has interrupted his training sessions, as the government has stopped public gatherings to limit the spread of the virus. Before the pandemic, Esajemba was training 17 youngsters and 7 adults. He said that more people were signing up to join. He is optimistic that the COVID-19 pandemic will soon come to an end, so that children and adults in the neighborhood can come back and resume training. For now, he is concentrating on training his daughter Nakirija, whose dream is to become a Kung Fu star herself.